Hello everyone, Vinay Mishra this side. Hope you all are doing good these days. I have something to share with you all. You can see the smile on my face, right? Okay, so 365 days back, we have uploaded our first video on YouTube channel, and that means we have completed 1 year on YouTube. That's really a very nice feeling. First of all, I need to thank you all. Thank you so much for all your support, the belief, the encouragement what we get from you. It's really very appreciating, and this is the only thing which keeps us pushing and keeps pushing so much hard that we have pushed our limits, right? Okay, that's good. Special thanks to my team members, Shriyash, Mohit, SD sir, and Soumitra for sure. I have some facts what we have done in the past year. So we have got 1.6k subscriber till date with a total of 4,32,885 minutes watch time. That is around 7,200 watch hours. That's really good. Okay. We have uploaded total 230 videos on YouTube. Okay, good. And I have about 270 videos on Unacademy platform. That means around 500 video in a span of 1 year. I don't know about these facts and figure whether these are okay or good or really appreciating. What I know is we have really worked hard for this, and we will continue to do that. Now I have something what we have earned in the previous year. So I'm not talking about the money, right? I'm talking about the respect, the belief, the encouragement what we get. I am talking about that, what the response we have got from you guys. So I would like to show you some comments list, right? So let's start this. I have seen many people, right? In fact, I have seen a lot of people who just actually wait for something right thing to happen to them, or something good thing to happen to them in their future, right? They just wait for something good thing which will happen to them by their own luck. In fact, I don't believe those facts, because you are the only one who will create those good happenings for you. You are living in 21st century, dude. Nobody is going to come to you with a spoon and will say to you, will feed you with that good happenings, right? You have to create, you have to explore your own ideas. In fact, what I believe is, person who has the zeal to win over the world, wants to conquer this globe, probably will definitely create some impact, do something which is actually dominant, right? Will create something, those good happening what I'm talking about. Okay, so that person has three major qualities, right? I'm not saying that I have those qualities. What I do is I follow my own beliefs. When you will follow your own beliefs, you will follow your own fire, right? Okay, so that three major characteristics, feature that a person should have is, first of all, the courage. What kind of courage? The courage to take that massive small step each and every day. I am again repeating that massive small step, because that step is not gonna be a small, that step is really a massive thing. आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा, आप छोटे छोटे काम को अगर आप जोड़ते जाओगे ना, अब इतना बड़ा कुछ बना लोगे कि आपको खुद ही यकीन नहीं होगा. सेकेंड थिंग इज परसिवरेंस, दृढ़ता जिसको बोला जाता है. ठीक है, आपको वही काम को जिस इंटेंसिटी से आपने पिछले दिन किया था, उसी चीज को लगातार कंसिस्टेंटली आपको रिपीट करते जाना है, बिना एक भी दिन चूके. आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा आपने क्या चीज बना दी है. ठीक है. थर्ड, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज इवेल्युएशन एंड इम्प्रोवाइजेशन, राइट? यू हैव टू इवेल्युएट योरसेल्फ, यू हैव टू इम्प्रोवाइज योरसेल्फ ईच एंड एवरी day. You have to become a better version each and every day. You have to improvise from you have to learn from what you have done in your past, right? Okay, so these are the things what you have to understand. Think about it, what I am trying to say. Okay, so इतना ही, बहुत ज़्यादा अब नहीं बोलूँगा. ठीक है, तो इतना ही बोलना था. तो इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही रखता हूँ. एक बार फिर से आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.